In this video, I'm showing you how you can manually upshift on a Mercedes Metris van. So behind the steering wheel, there is a button right around down there, and you just tap it, pull it basically towards you. And with the right side of the steering wheel, you can upshift, and you can do the same thing on the left side of the steering wheel. That helps when you want to downshift, for example, going downhill with a trailer, or long descents, to save your brakes. This is literally manually shifting the van. Once you're done using it, you can then simply just click the upshift button again on this side of the steering wheel several times, and then it will go back and show automatic. It puts it back into D instead of the gear number that you would see while in manual. Hope this helps. If you ever want to rent a Metris van, just visit sprinter-rentals.com. Thanks so much, and have a great day.